Welcome! In today's video, I'll show you how to display the most relevant comments first on your Facebook page using the Facebook app on your PC following the latest update. If you manage a Facebook page and want to make sure your audience always sees the best and most engaging comments at the top, this guide is for you. Let's get started. First, open the Facebook app on your PC. Make sure you're logged into the account that manages your page. Once you're on the main screen, look to the top right corner and click on your page profile photo. This will take you directly to your page's dashboard. Next, find and click on the option labeled Settings and Privacy. A drop-down menu will appear. Here, select Settings. This section is where you control all the important features and preferences for your page. Now, in the left-hand menu, scroll down until you see Followers and Public Content. Click on it to open the settings related to how people interact with your page's posts and comments. Here's the key step. Look for the option that says Show Most Relevant Comments First. You'll see a toggle or checkbox next to it. Enable this feature by clicking it. Once activated, Facebook will automatically sort comments on your page's posts, so the most relevant and engaging ones appear at the top for everyone to see. This simple setting can make a big difference. It helps highlight valuable feedback and interesting conversations, making your page more interactive and inviting for your followers. Remember, you can always come back and adjust this setting if you want to change how comments are displayed in the future. And that's it. You've just learned how to show the most relevant comments first on your Facebook page using the latest update on the Facebook app for PC. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tips on making the most out of your social media experience. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.